Checkers, what's happening? All right, so I have the holy grail of holy grails for Halloween collecting. It is the Army of Darkness chainsaw. Just because I'm such a big geek, look at the box, the outer shipping container, officially licensed, prop replica from Syndicate Collectibles. I am so happy that I found this. Well, not found it, but pre-ordered it. Pre-ordered this way back in oh man, I don't know, June I think it was. I finally got it. Cue the awesome music. Here she is in the box. Look at that. I don't usually unbox stuff, but when it's something that's cool and licensed like this, I get excited. All right, let's take her out and see what it looks like. Here it is, guys. Look at that amazing detail. Blood looks good. This looks like actual metal. It's got a real nice paint job on it. The handle looks like, you know, real wood. I'm just gonna tell you right now, this is all plastic. And yet, it looks pretty realistic. It's even got the chain oil cap on there. It's got the switch, which is flickable. Cool. There's a handle on the inside. Stick your hand in there. It's got a button. How cool is this, guys? Oh my God. I've been building one. I just haven't gotten around to it. The only thing that's a little bit off is the thickness of the blade. I mean, a real chainsaw's blade is not that thick, but you know, who cares? This is beautiful. Let me get the batteries in it and see what she sounds like. All right, it's got a door on the bottom. Takes 3 AAA batteries. It's got an on-off switch. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. This is sweet. Pull the trigger. That's awesome. And when you want to turn the motor off, you just flick the switch. This is so freaking cool. And this little switch here, I don't think that does anything. We just turn it on, see if it does anything. Nope, that's just for looks, that little toggle switch. Yeah! This is cool. Hilder King, baby. All right. Sean Spook Shack, out of here. Until next time, guys, stay spooky.